Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to show you my very easy and fast wash day routine, but with a little twist. I'm down by the river, and in Jamaica I love washing my hair down by the river. It makes my life so easy, it's so fun, and I get to swim at the same time. So if you're interested in watching this wash day routine, stay tuned and let's
Okay, so the first thing is I make sure I comb out my hair thoroughly and just make sure all the knots are out of my hair. And after doing that, I go and just jump into the river. And I love doing this part because it's so much easier just wetting your hair in the river, because I can go swimming while in the river and enjoying myself. And I definitely love this because who wouldn't love swimming and washing your hair at the same time? And the river is the best place to have fun while washing your hair. And if you're from Jamaica, you know, and you live in the countryside, you know exactly how fun this is and something that we always do. The next thing after washing my hair, I make sure it's wet thoroughly. Every single strand is wet, and I just make sure that my hair is prepared to go in with my shampoo. Now, today I'm using a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and literally I could care less. I just want my hair to be clean. And the good thing is I got this at the dollar store and it's only $2, so I'm just going to use this. And I'm going to put it in my hair, and I'm just going to make sure that I am lathering it in my hair throughout. Now, the reason why I like using this is for days where I just really want to wash my hair super fast and I don't really want to concentrate on like deep conditioning and then shampoo and conditioning. But so today I definitely like grabbing 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So if you're someone who enjoys having fast wash days, especially when you have to wash your hair yourself, I totally understand. These things work. Okay, I'm someone who doesn't really enjoy washing my hair by myself. I usually go to a professional and let them wash my hair and all of that. But literally on days where I'm washing it and I really just want to wash it and go on with my life, 2-in-1 conditioners work. And I love this conditioner. I have to use a lot because it's such a low price. So I'm using more of the shampoo and the conditioner than I usually would with a shampoo and conditioner that's more high priced. But can't you guys see how beautiful the water is? And okay, so I'm going to get my hands and make sure that I'm massaging my scalp, make sure all the dandruff is out, make sure it's clean, and I'm just doing the best that I can. And literally, wash day routines is all about having fun. Try not to take it too serious. Literally, our hair is so annoying to deal with, especially being confined in a small space and you have to wet your hair and wash it. So down at the river is so much better. I can just throw water everywhere. My conditioner and shampoo can go everywhere. So next thing, that after I'm done massaging the scalp with my hand, I'm just using my brush. And this brush I got from the beauty supply store. It's so simple and easy to use. And the best thing about this is with the 2-in-1 conditioner is that I can automatically just go in and start brushing my hair. Now, I don't use combs for my hair, but if I do, I'm using a wide tooth comb. But lately, I love this comb that I got from the beauty supply store because the bristles are just perfect for my hair type, and it can comb out my hair while detangle my hair while the conditioner is in it. And I feel like it's so much easier than having a comb. I don't know, maybe it's just from in the past with the comb hurting my hair when I'm detangling my hair and all of that. So I just gravitate towards the brush. And as you can see, the conditioner is so good. The brush is just going through my hair, and my hair is so much more detangled than how it usually would be. And I just feel like the brush is so much easier. So if you're someone who uses combs when you're detangling your hair, try using like a spaced out brush. And that's how it looks after detangling my hair. So I know some people are like, you're not supposed to detangle your hair when it's wet, but I feel like it's just the easiest way for my hair type. I know maybe sometimes you can just lose some hair, but this way is just so much more easier for me, and it helps me so much better. Okay, so after detangling my hair, what I go in and do is go to the river, and I make sure that I'm ready to just wash my hair in the river, and I do that by swimming. I literally just have so much fun. I just swim around in the water and make sure my hair is thoroughly clean. So this is how it looks after when I wash my hair. This is how my hair looks, and it's so clean. And I just go in once more time and just detangle my hair throughout, just to make sure my hair is fully detangled. And if I want to go in for another swim, I do that as well. But literally, this is how it looks when it's fully washed out and everything is out of my hair. And as you can see, my hair is so much more lighter. It's cleaner. It feels good. It's bouncy and exactly what I want. So that's it for today's video. This is my wash day routine with one product. So comment down below. Do you like fast wash and goes? Do you love doing your hair down by the river? That's it for today's video. I hope you like, and I'll see you in the next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.